Today I'm going to share with you how to make coconut flour. Dress the coconut, peel the bark and cut it into small pieces. Put it in a big blender, add water and blend. If necessary, you can add more water. Blend for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then pour it into a large sieve to sieve out the milk. In order to get all the milk out, you can put warm water and then sieve out and squeeze all the liquid out of the coconut. Squeeze very well. You can add more warm water so that you get everything out.
Okay.
It took me a while to get all this out because I used 4 large coconuts so that I can get more flour out of it. Please watch this video to the end because I have a small tip to give to you. Okay, so here we have the milk. I'm quite happy about this because it's quite a large amount. And then we have the shredded coconut. So I put my milk inside bottles so that I can use it for my chia seed, for my chocolate drink, and I use it anyhow. So I have about 5.5 bottles to keep away and put inside the fridge or freezer for future use. So I put the shredded coconut inside the oven to dry it up. You can also use your frying pan to dry the coconut if you do not want to put it inside the oven, but it does take a while to finish quite a lot of the shredded coconut. So here we are, all the shredded coconuts now dried up. So the next thing is to get it milled and blended very well to make sure that we have coconut flour. So find out the results in my next video and what we can do with this coconut flour. But meanwhile, take this tip. You can use these already dried coconut flakes as gari. I used to soak gari and I enjoyed it very well before I was diagnosed to be diabetic. So this is what I use as alternative to gari. So I transferred this into a bigger bowl so that I can put in water, enough for the gari to swell. So in order for me to have the gari jebu taste, I added half lemon into the coconut flakes and I mix it. So I added stevia so that I can have the sweet taste I usually enjoy. I added more water to allow it to swell even more. I enjoy my garri with peanuts, so I added peanuts so that I can enjoy my garri the way I used to. I enjoy this garri so much, and you can try it because it's very good. You can also drink the water because it's also very healthy, so try it. Diabetes is reversible. All you need to do is just change your lifestyle and eat better food. Look out for the second part in my upcoming video. God bless you.